There are some cases when we would need to intercept input property changes coming from the parent component into our child component with a setter in Angular. Those cases usually include changing the value we get from the input property or running some additional functions on change detection. For this example, we have a parent and a child component, where the parent will send a bunch of users with the name property and the child component will display that user's name, but if the user's name is empty, the child component will show user has no display name. Let's head into the child component and create a private underscore name. We use the underscore here because we cannot have the same name as the input property name. Then we can create our input, and in between the parentheses here we can set an alias if we want. Next we set up the get and set methods. With the get we will just return the underscore name, and in the setter we will set the name with a ternary operator to user has no display name if no name is provided. Now for our parent component we will just loop over the users with ng4 and bind the user's name to a name property of our child component. Now let's just set one of the names from our user object to an empty string and try and run this, and as you can see, for one of the users we get user has no display name. Intercept input property changes with a setter is useful if you are listening for one input change detection, but if you have to listen for more than one change detections, well, in that case we can use a lifecycle hook that's called ng-on-changes, and we'll take a look at how this works in the next video. Thanks everybody for watching, hope you enjoyed. Post your comments, questions and suggestions down below, and I'll see you in the next one.